Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and this is a new mid-range phone from Samsung which is officially launched in Pakistan market right now, and this phone is costing around 34,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And this is a 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage variant, and the color I have is the blue variant. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox this phone. And you can see here is the box, and the first thing we got this 1 year warranty card because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market. And here is the box, and on the bottom we have one seal, and on the top also we have a one more seal. Let's cut it and open this box, and you can see, and the first thing we got this mini box on the top, and which contain I think almost a quick start guide. We don't get any silicone case, and you can see we get a quick start guide, warranty card, as well as a quick start guide in Urdu language, which is pretty good. Here is the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now let's out the phone from this box, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see this is a blue color. And first impression about the color, I have to say that looks very reflected, and you can see we get almost every color on the back, and you can see this phone gave you a rainbow effect. Now let's put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, also we get this adapter, and it is a 15-watt fast charger. We don't get a 25-watt super fast charging on this phone because this phone comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery size, and you can see 5000 mAh battery size on this phone. And also we get a SIM ejection tool, but we don't get any headphones this time with the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And you can see we don't get headphones with the Samsung Galaxy A21. That's a pretty bad thing. It is the same thing that Oppo and Vivo do some years. In case we get a USB Type-C cable. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. And you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see on the back we have a quad cameras on the back. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full flush SIM slot. On the front we have this camera and a earpiece. On the right we have a volume up and volume down rocker with a switch on off button. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel for macro lens. And also we get a fingerprint scanner on the back. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and you can see. And the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone comes with a 720p IPS rated display, and the display size on this phone is a 6.4 inch. And I have to say that, and the colors looks not as vivid as Super AMOLED display. Now let's go to the settings and go to the display. And you can see we don't get any adaptive display feature on this phone, and this phone is also give you a auto brightness feature. As you can see that this phone comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery size, and the weight balance is done very well on this phone. Not feel very heavy, but I have to say that this phone feels little bit thick. Now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone software information, and you can see this phone is running on Android 10, and also we have a One UI 2.1 on this phone. Now let's go back and go to the advanced feature on this phone, and you can see you also get reduce animation option on this phone and some more feature. Now let's go to the device care. 64 GB of internal storage out of 48.5 GB is available for you. In Pakistan, Samsung just launched one variant of the Samsung Galaxy A21 which is coming at 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage. And the UI feels very smooth on this phone right now. Now let's look at the camera. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel which is coming at f2.0 aperture. Then we have a ultra wide depth sensor and a macro lens. Now let's go to the video section, and now let's see the video recording size. And the back camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps. On the front we also get a full HD with a 30 fps option as well. Now let's go back and go to the mode section, and you can see we also get a macro mode on this phone. Macro mode is work really good in good lighting condition, and you can see you can take very close-up shots, and you can see which I take right now, and the quality it is not as good as what you get with 5 megapixel macro lens. Now let's go back, and you can see here is the normal, and here is your ultra wide on the A21s, and also we get HDR on this phone. Live focus is also available, which is also work on subject, not only for human faces. And the front camera is a 13 megapixel, and there is a little bit wide option on this phone, live focus feature, and you can see. And the back camera as well as front camera does not give you a night mode, because I have to say that night mode it is really useful in some situation. But and guys, also this phone is powered by Samsung on Exynos 850 chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture. I don't know the performance of this chipset, but we will see the performance of this chipset in my upcoming speed test, so stay tuned for that. And overall I have to say that I'm really impressed by the battery size of the Samsung Galaxy A21s, and also this phone give you a very good hand feel, but back is made up of plastic, and the frame is also made up of plastic, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed it is also really fast on this phone. I really like the UI on Samsung phones as well. And this phone is also give you a dark mode as well as music share and a quick share. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.